What's up, everybody? I wanted to record this to talk to you about my update in terms of where I'm stuck at, and for anyone who's still a beginner trying to learn no code with no coding experience. So, from my understanding of 2 months of coding and using Cursor and using prompts, you have to know some level of coding to navigate what you're trying to do, especially if you're following tutorials on YouTube or paying for a course. This is McKay's course. I'm paying 30 USD, which if you're in Australia like I am, it's $50 a month. And if you're staying for like a year, that's like $600 a year. Pretty expensive, but is it worth it? In my opinion, it's worth it because it's shedding light in terms of where I need to be directed to, and I need to know more on how backend works and how to do data persistence. And for those that don't know what data persistence is, it's uh, when a web app can understand and keep the user's information. For example, when you check a box and it stays checked when you click refresh, and when you store data. Authentication, which is having a sign up and a sign in page. This is the part where I'm stuck at, because the only caveat I have in terms of following this course is that it's not one for one, follow, copy and paste, and you get the end product. And you can see on the right hand side, there's comments about problems with the course. I feel like McKay's done a really, really great job. But ultimately, this is another case where you really have to use your thinking power and your brain power to really understand the grasp of what code is. You can probably get pretty far with prompt engineering, but the whole idea of prompt engineering is knowing what to say. And ultimately, in my head, prompt engineering is your ability to say something very specifically and clearly to get the outcome. So I'm still working on this, and I'd say today was a massive day of procrastination. I watched too many videos and less on making a project, and tomorrow's I'm going to be focusing more on making projects and solving problems. I just wanted to really film this video today just to show you what I'm still stuck on. It's been a week. I feel like this is the thing that's bottlenecking my projects. I've kept restarting projects. I'll show you what it looks so bad, but this is what an unfinished folder of projects looks like. So essentially, if I can find it, this is projects. It's 52 unfinished projects. Crazy. So still working, at least put 2 hours a day, and just keep filming. I really wanted to film this because even though it's just a video that's just throwing information out in the air, I really wanted to just put the rep in. Even though this is a rough, unedited, raw video, and just my energy is super low. Just finished a jiu-jitsu session, and I just ready to go to bed. This is what it takes. Just show up. If it's tired, you're just about to go to bed, record something. But ultimately, that's marketing. And to be good at marketing, it's to just put up a rep. Even though you're tired, just put up a rep. So this is something that I'm working on, back-end code, which is authentication and back-end setup. Just wanted to shoot this really quick video and tell you micro progressing super, super slowly. On the other end, with podcasting, that's not really going that well, but I'm still doing it. I still feel like there's some merit into it, but we'll see how this goes. I really wanted to share this is what I've been going through, and I thought this would be great to connect with anyone else who's doing a no-code course like McKay's. Let's connect. Let's build a Discord and try to help each other out, because I feel like that's how we can speed things up. And I really feel like building a community where everyone's in the same position where they're trying to figure out back-end code. Otherwise, I'm just going to try to figure out how to make a web app just to make a more specific, better tutorial or mentor, because I generally feel like mentors can direct and speed up the process of learning a skill on top of building a project, sorry. I want to do a really quick video today just to show you where I'm up to. Today was a very medium day, I'd say 2 out of 10 execution, tried a few things, but it was mainly watching videos, which, you know me, I'd rather be building, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.